is electronic.
It's number what?
Number 19.
Number 19 of November what? 2018. Paper 100. Okay. Yes, read the question.
In element Y is the electronic configuration of
An element Y is an electronic configuration of
286.
2.8.6. And then
which statement is true about Y?
Which statement is true about Y? And so we'll get to the answers later. So what is this? 2.8.6. You know, the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. So you must know that there is electronic configuration. Then you must also know something called atomic structure, oxidation and reduction. Atomic structure, just a brief review of what we talked about when we talked about this. Titus oxidation, but oxidation. Oxidation is the loss of what? Of electrons. So I'm going to introduce my electrons. Not to the electronic configuration. So what are these things? So that you must know about the atomic structure. An atom is made up of three things. Electrons, let's start with the electrons. It's made up of protons. It's made up of neutrons. From the word neutral, neutrons. So you must know their position. You must know something called charge. You must also know something about the mass of these particles. To my particles good, to my electrons, protons, neutrons, to my subatomic particles. And then to know what is inside an atom. So my electrons are not about position on my shells. Sometimes referred to as orbits. My shells are about orbits. Charge in my electrons, it's minus 1. Electron can get a charge of minus 1. So electrons are negatively charged. Is that right? Mass 1/1840. This one you must just remember. It's a small fraction. But 1 divided by 1840 is a very small number. So, or you can just say the mass of electrons is negligible. You must know that it's negligible. It's not how to influence a mass atom graduation. To a very small mass. Let's talk about protons. Position on the nucleus. Nucleus. Percent per atom brago. What is the charge of protons? Plus 1. What is the mass? Just say 1. The units are not grams or kgs, they are called atomic mass units. And AMU. So it's number to 1. And this guy? About 1/1840. Right, neutrons. Where do you find them? Nucleus, guy. Nucleus. Charge 0, they are neutral, no charge. Mass 1. So you must remember this. This is atomic structure. It's made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons. Must remember where you find these. Must remember my charges. So let's draw an atom. But let's draw it. So we are drawing atomic what? Structure. Let's use element. Let's use calcium, which is per periodic table. The first 20 elements. Just 20 elements. And when you are reading your periodic table, I want you to locate number against atomic number. Atomic number. Find a number against atomic number. We only have a periodic table. Go to any element of the periodic table. There is something called atomic number. And go to the first element, which is hydrogen. Hydrogen is our first element. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? What is the atomic number of hydrogen? 1. So I want you to look for our second element here is an atomic number of 2. So what is our second element? You know, it's good. Periodic table in mazita. Now, as soon as okay, try to look for the second element with an atomic number of 2.
Atomic number
of 2. There's the element here. Lithium. What is its symbol? Li. Atomic number of 2. Don't guess. Look at the atomic number. Is it 2? The most of those are the element in atomic number of 2. Just look at the atomic number. That's exactly what I'm saying. Look for the next element, which is an atomic number of 2. Don't complicate things. Another element in an atomic number of 2. So that becomes our second element. An atomic number of 3. Exactly. Then the next one, 4. Don't order, it's not here. Don't order a period. Why does which it's dangerous? Does which period number 4? This one. I'm going to go box it. Lines. And it. Bukura remains. Line rekutanga. Period 1. Regi 2. Period 2. Chingo da. And it. Yeah. Which is the groups. Groups. So I can even ask you to calcium group. But in period 4, and it. Come group group. Group 2. My groups are also my numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, group 0 and group 8. So calcium group 1, 2, 3, 4. So correct. Calcium is in period 4, group 2. This is what? Saka apananje kubvunza period number. Saka unofana kulocate element yako tiri period chi. Saka is 34, and it. Saka the first thing, put your symbol. Then what is period number? Why is it important? Because it is equal to the number of shells. It is equal to the number of shells. It means I will put 4 shells. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Should I watch it? Simple. Find the period. So I'm advising, but on period 2, just at 2. So I'm going to my conclusion is 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's to manifest 3 periods. To score period 4. Then time announce my electrons. Turn out my electrons are going to go that's part of my electron and loss of electrons. Change my electrons. Check a question. And then Saga Muma shells some electrons. Remember I said electrons are found in the shells. And then so that I some electrons. You know the way I say some electrons mangani. Mas shells is that. So I just say Sinofana kutarisa the same number, I know the atomic number. Do you know too the total number of electrons? So what is the atomic number of calcium? Is how much? 20. Right? So we can say here number 3. Look at atomic G. Atomic number. So is it our atomic number is what? 20. So it's a total of 20 electrons to put into these shells. And so how do we put them? We need to follow a rule. Number 4, 2.8.8.18. This one is a rule. You must remember this. First shell is rectangle. No first shell. Second shell, third shell, fourth shell. And first shell rows are mangani 2. Second shell rows are mangani 8. 8. The other one 18. Just remember that. You won't remember how to fill this. So my electrons will represent them using crosses. And you can also use dots. Don't know what so that dot. But I don't choose some dots. No, you just stick to dots only. And but to turn out in most of the cases, unless my crosses. And